Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Dharmistha ma'am, and today I am going to teach you in language space English. And our topic for today's session is this is and these are. This and these are used to point something near you. This और these किसी चीज या किसी व्यक्ति जो हमारे नजदीक है उसे दिखाने के लिए उपयोग होता है. THIS this, IS is, this is. THESE these, ARER these are. This is used for an object. This हम किसी एक चीज को दिखाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. These is used for two or more objects. This हम किसी दो या दो से ज्यादा चीजों को दिखाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. IS is should be used with this. This के साथ हमेशा IS is का यूज होता है. ARER should be used with these. These के साथ हमेशा ARER का यूज होता है. Children, now open page number 113 in your classwork book. Now on page number 113, this is, these are. See, here pictures are given and you have to read with me. Now here one apple and here two apples. So for one object we use this is, and for two or more objects we use these are. Right? So here this is an apple. One apple. So here this is an apple. Here two apples. So these are apples. Next is a bat. This is a bat. Here three bats are given. These are bats. One banana. So this is a banana. And here many bananas. So these are bananas. Next is a mug. So this is a mug. And here two mugs are given. So these are mugs. Now we will do some practice work on page number 114. Now on page 114 we will do practice work. See here, different pictures are given and here space is given where we have to write this or these. Now look at the pictures. First is a star. How many stars? Only one. So do you remember what do we use for one object? Yes, we use this. So here we will write this. So we will begin with capital T. T H I S. This is a star. You have to touch this dotted line and write. Now here 3 stars are given. So for 2 or more objects, what do we use? These. So here we will write these. We will begin with capital T. T H E S E. These are stars. Now below a kite. How many kites? Only 1. So here we will write this. For one object, we will write this. Begin with capital T H I S. This is a kite. Now here 2 kites. For 2 or more objects, we use these. So here 2 kites are given. So what will come? These. T H E S E. These are kites. Now here a dog. Only one dog. So this. Capital T H I S. This is a dog. Here 2 dogs. So here we will write these. T H E S E. These are dogs. What is this? A lamp. One lamp is here. So we will write this. T H I S. And here 2 lamps. So these. T H E S E. These are lamps. Next, an egg. Only one egg. So this. T H I S. This is an egg. And here 2 eggs. So we'll write this. T H E S E. These are eggs. This is a fish. One fish. So we will write this. T H I S. This is a fish. Now here 2 fishes. So T H E S E. These are fishes. Same way you have to write in your classwork book, page number 114. Now open page number 75 in your classwork book. Now on page 75, here different pictures are given on both the sides and their names, that is spellings, are written in the center. We have to match the correct word to the respective pictures. Match the picture to the correct word. हमें ये सारी वर्ड्स रीड करने हैं और उन्हें सही पिक्चर के साथ जोड़ना है. So first word is FLAG. FLAG, flag. Where is flag? Here. So we will match this word to the picture. Like this. Now, second word is FRAME. FRAME, frame. Can you see frame here? Yes, here it is. So we will match like this. Now next word, LOCK. LOCK, lock. Here is lock. So we will match from here to here. Lock. Now next word, BRICK. BRICK, brick. Where is brick? Here. So we will match this word to the picture. Now next, SHOE. SHOE, shoe. Can you see shoe over here? Yes, here it is. So here goes this line with shoe. Next word, CLOUD. CLOUD, cloud. Where is cloud? Here. So match cloud like this. Next word, PLATE. PLATE, plate. Here. So join this plate. Now last, BROOM. BROOM, broom. Where is broom? Here. So we will match this word to the picture. So dear children, see you tomorrow in our next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.